Okay, again, April 6, 2022. This is the auction sale, government surplus and estate items happening here in Langley on the website bcsurplus.com. We got a little Kubota, four-wheel drive, hydrostatic HST, so hydrostatic drive tractor with a three-way blade. It's a Kubota B1700HD blade. Fully operational here. I'll leave it there and just see if I can So it says it's a Kubota B1700HD. That's a little four-wheel drive diesel tractor, three-cylinder diesel. You can see the blade's been used, some rocks jammed in there. Tires appear to be in decent condition. A little bit of dent damage there on one tire, and the rim there, or whatever, the wheel, I guess it is. The looks like it's a quick connect style system here for the front end here. Whatever you could put on the front. Total of 1,999.4 hours on the meter. Cab heater, we got lights, heater works, nice hot air coming out of that. Of course, you know, in the summertime when you're really using the tractor, you want that, probably the air conditioning. I got the LED lights on this one here, it looks like. Don't know if I've checked the PTO and all that. Just a sec here. PTO, there we go. Yep, PTO's spinning. So of course, haven't checked everything on this unit, but it does go forward and backward. It is difficult to start. Looks like one of the couple, maybe, I don't know, safety switches or something. I can't get it to start once in a while. I've got to actually use a screwdriver and jump the starter. So maybe one of the safety switches on one of the clutch pedals or something, not sure. But she does start and run and move forward, backward. No windshield wipers, no wiper motor was there, it looks like, but not there no more. The surplus item, guys, torn seat, four-wheel drive, brakes seem to operate as required. So this one's selling in the April the 6th auction online, located here in Langley. Highest bid wins, and that's on the bcsurplus.com site right there. Don't know the year. Hope you get another bye-bye auction.